Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Project Cat for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Project Cat for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this website, since this is where we will download the game. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download Project Cat on this website, it's so simple. You just need to search for the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And after that, I want you to scroll down until you find the download section at the bottom. And then just click the download button. And then here, the website will ask you if you want to donate to support the developers of the game. If you want to, you can do so, but if you don't, just click this no thanks option right here. And then you will now be directed to the download page of the game. So here on the downloading page, you can now select a download button depending on your device. In my case, I will select this since I'm using a Windows laptop. And after clicking the download button, the zip file that will contain the game will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now open your File Explorer to find the zip file that you've downloaded. Most of the time you can find it on the download directory of your File Explorer. And once we've found the zip file, next, we will need to extract this file in order to access the game inside it. So to do that, I want you to right-click it. And then select the Extract All button. And after that, you can now extract the file. But before you click the Extract button, I want you to make sure that this option is checked or enabled, since this ensures that once the zip file is extracted, you will be directed to the extracted version automatically, so you won't need to waste your time finding the extracted version of the file once again. And once you're sure that the option is enabled, you can now click the Extract button. And after clicking it, the extraction process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you will now be directed to the extracted version of the file. So now that we have extracted the file, next, we will need to create a shortcut for the game so we can add it to our desktop home screen. So to do that, just right-click the game file. And then go to Show More Options. And after that, we will now have the shortcut for the game. So just drag this shortcut to your desktop home screen to add it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Project Cat installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.